Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the bowl. I put about this much. Now I'm gonna add some water. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna have those. It needs more water. Okay, I just made it too watery, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna get some butter. I also have the oven on to 350. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove to 6. This is for the pancakes. Okay, I'm gonna just take a little bit of butter, put it in the pan. Let that melt. I'm gonna get a little bit more. Okay, it's starting to melt. Okay, the butter is all melted. Now I'm gonna put some pancake mix into the pan. How it's looking. Okay, while the pancake is cooking, I'm gonna put some of these sausages into this pan. So I'm gonna turn on the heat. It's too bright. I'll just put it on sticks. I'm going to rinse them off. Hey. Do you want to help me make the biscuits?
I'll pop it open since I'm the expert.
Right.
Okay, now.
So guys, you wanna unwrap it right here where the middle part is at. And you wanna go to like the very top corner. It will like start peeling down.
Gonna put some vegetable oil.
And you want it to
On
look
the
like
pan.
this. And I am very much scared. And if it don't pop while I'm trying to unwrap it, I'll be happy. Because that's what always happens.
Seven, whenever you get that pop, reach down there and give me a soda.
There's no more. Sister. Like,
Wait. Just hit it on the counter.
peely.
I'm scared.
Give it
Wait.
to me.
I got it. I almost forgot about the pancake.
Oh, why are you going to spread out the oil?
You gotta wait.
Oh, I just realized what she was saying. What a single man. What?
Don't sing in the video.
What? You scared that? Oh, stop. That's for you.
Here's the sausages. Added some
I
water.
think sister, I'm gonna have to rip this apart.
Mm-mm.
Sister, there.
Put it in the oven.
Should we flip it?
Mm-mm.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay, this is done. I'm gonna put a little butter.
What a single lettuce. What a single lettuce. Yeah, spread it, spread it. Yeah, this is trouble. What? Can we lady? Be like,
Okay.
Be like,
No, I'm gonna just repeat that process. Here it is. Gonna put some water in the freezer.
Can you also put me in one in here?
It has some bubbles, so I suppose that it's done. 7.
They already cooking.
Okay, ready, sit there. Here's the biscuits.
So did you put butter on here?
Yes.
You just put it in.
Wait.
Huh?
Stop.
I'm gonna get it. Mom.
Now we're gonna make some Kool-Aid. We're using orange. These sausages are now fried.
They're too good in this.
I added a little bit more water to the sausages. Let's take on the biscuits. Here's how the biscuits are looking. Pancake. This is done. Wait, but I'm gonna add some butter. to this one and spread it. Put this one on top. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. This one is big because I just decided to use the rest of it. Okay. Wait. The biscuits are looking done, so I'm gonna take them out. What's this in here? Add some butter to every layer of pancakes so they can have more flavor. I'm gonna do that for each layer. Now butter's in between every layer. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna put butter on the biscuits. Here's how it looks. I'm just gonna put them in the oven. The oven is off. Okay, here's the biscuits. The butter is melted.
Store, so I get in my car, and everything in my car was moved around. There were papers all over my floor. This thing that opens and has sunglasses in it was wide open. Center console was open. He searched my car. Y'all, homeboy searched my car yesterday. So this is my car, right? My dad gave it